He's been practicing as a family doctor for years, as well as a public health official in Nevada and Colorado. We are joined by Dr. Joseph Q. Jarvis, and he's the author of The Purple World, Healing the Harm in American Healthcare. Dr. Jarvis, what a pleasure to have you. How are you holding up?
I'm doing well. How about yourself?
I'm good. It seems like as a public health official and a doctor, you are uniquely equipped to look at this pandemic we're experiencing. And I wonder if you cover some of that in your book. What are you feeling at this point in time?
Yes, I do cover outbreak administration. That's a major part of what I did as a public health officer. Nothing as big as this happened while I was a public health officer, but lots of things did happen. Outbreaks of hepatitis A and syphilis and measles, et cetera. These happen all the time. Nature is like that. It's not a comfortable place for our human organism.
So does that kind of lead us to the title of the book, The Purple World? Will you kind of tell us what that means?
Yes, when I was a freshman medical student here in Salt Lake City, the microbiology professor wanted to impress on us impressionable young would-be doctors how dangerous the world was. And he said, if urine were red and stool were blue, we'd live in a purple world. Trying to help us understand in a very sort of gross way that microbes are all around us because we don't do such a great job of, we humans, of taking care of that. We're not very hygienic and we don't wash our hands. So yeah, that's where the title came from. But I lead in the book towards a new conclusion. It's not just the world that's not safe. It is the healthcare system. This is something people don't usually understand. It's dangerous to be a patient in the United States. 400 deaths a year happen that would have been preventable or should have been prevented to hospitalized patients.
So it seems like you're focused on keeping people out of the hospital by staying healthy and fixing healthcare as we know it. What is the big message that we can learn from your book or just from your life's work in general?
We can learn that actually we're not doing healthcare very well in the United States. We're spending a heck of a lot of money on it because we're not doing it well. We have poor quality care because of patient injury that's preventable, because of unnecessary and unusual uses of medical technology. We can do that better, and it's so inefficiently administered. We can do it better. That's the main point.
We can do it better. And I bet you discuss how we can do that in your book, The Purple World, Healing the Harm in American Healthcare. Dr. Jarvis, what a pleasure. And I wish we had an hour to talk to you because you could probably tell us how to deal with this pandemic. But where can people find you and your book?
You can find me at thepurpleworld.com, where we will be giving away 5 copies of The Purple World to people who come and visit us, or you can find the book on any online book buying service.
Okay, I'm going to now go watch The Purple off my hands as best as I can.
Great. Do it.
Thank you, Dr. Jarvis. Stay safe.
You too.